In this video, we are going to discuss about set theory, and the subtopic will be union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, and complement of a set. Now, first one is union of two sets. The union of two sets means if we have a set A with elements 1 to 4 and we have a set B with elements 5 and 7. Now, union is indicated by this symbol U. Now, A union B means you have to combine all the elements of A as well as all the elements of B. Now, this set which contains all the elements of A and all the elements of B is called union of A and B. The same question from union of sets but with a different data. A is a set in which X represents a single element and X is an integer that is greater than 1 and less than 10. X such that X is an integer and the range for those integers are greater than 1 and less than 10. That forms a set A. Now, integers greater than 1 and less than 10 are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are integers greater than 1 and less than 10. Now, set B is X such that X is an even number and X is greater than 1 and X is less than 10. So, even number greater than 1 and less than 10 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, the union of A and B will be a set in which you will be having all the elements of A as well as we will be having elements of B, but there will be no repetition of elements. We will be having 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and all of them also, but they are included already in A. 2 is present in A, 4 is present in A, 6 is present in A, 8 is present in A. So we are not going to write 2 two times or 4 two times in the union set or 6 two times. We are going to write each element only once. So the result of the union of A and B will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is A union B. The next concept is intersection of two sets. Now, intersection of two sets is represented by this, that is more like inverse of U, you may say that, or sometimes it may be called a symbol like N, but this is symbol for intersection. If we have a set A and we have a set B, A has got the elements 1, 2, B has got the elements 2, 3. Now look for the elements which are common in A and in B. 2 is present in A, 2 is present in B, so 2 is common in A as well as in B. So for intersection of two sets, you are going to take out the element which is common in both sets, that is 2 which is present in A as well as in B. So the intersection of A and B will be the set containing 2. The next one is a set A in which x such that x is an odd number and x is greater than 11 and less than 20, and it should be an odd number. So odd number greater than 11 and less than 20 are 13 greater than 11, 15, 17 and 19 less than 20. So this forms a set A. Now set B is x such that x is a prime number, and x is greater than 10 and less than 20. So all the prime numbers greater than 10 and less than 20, which are here, 11 is a prime number, 13, 17 and 19, they are greater than 10 and less than 20. So this forms a set B. We have to find intersection of A and B. So intersection means you have to write down a set which contains elements common in A and B. Now 13 is common in A as well as in B. So 13 will be taken out for intersection of A and B. 15 is not common. 15 is present in A but 15 is not present in B. 17 is present both in A and B. So 17 will be included in the intersection of A and B, as well as 19 is present in both A and B. So the elements which are common in both A and B will be the answer for intersection of A and B. Now this is about union and intersection of two sets. In my next video, I will be discussing the concept of complement of a set and the difference of two sets. Thank you so much.